Here are a few Halloween decorations you can print easily. First, there's this home spider. It may not look very realistic, but it is easy to print because of the flat side. Here you see the model in the Bambu Studio slicer. It was printed with a generic PLA profile and a 0.20 mm layer height. Only a little support was needed under the spider's face. What would you use it for? Just as a Halloween decoration? Or do you want to scare someone? Let's pick up the skull. It came out pretty well. It looks like this in the Bambu Studio slicer. To make this 3D print successful, tree supports were used. Here you see the inside where the supports were located. It looks pretty smooth despite the removed supports. Please subscribe if you like it. Thanks. Did you notice the skull is winking at you? The links for these models are in the description. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel. See you there.